just the tip, right?
We're here working in southern New England. We've got a fernleaf beech, and it's been pruned in this fashion to contain its size so it doesn't get too large. So not ideal. And so what we're doing is renovating it. We're thinning it, removing branches that are about a 1-inch diameter. And what that's doing, it's allowing some air and sunlight in, and it will alleviate the need to shear it. It will slow down the growth, and the goal would be that the canopy would develop more upright, naturalistic appearance. So we're identifying a branch that needs to come out in this fernleaf beech, and we're creating more or less holes, areas for sunlight and air to come into that canopy. And they're about the size of a basketball as a hole, roughly. And the size of the cut is about like a 1 inch, about. And so we'll do that throughout the canopy.